agencies and intelligence agencies, we have the understanding and we strengthen the focus for provision of transparency and taking into account the existing data and the having of potential of processing the data. And that's why we have implemented this functional and all the algorithms from the cases available already, and we have the online access to the data already, to the court decisions where we take information from, how it is done in practice. Sometimes we take best practices, including international best practices, and we participated in your seminars, workshops, where you explained in detail how it is used by legal entities in their criminal activities. And based on all of those factors, we have developed our algorithms, and we understand that verification of the algorithms themselves will go through publicity before the entities of financial monitoring. When we open the access to them for the register, and when we deliver to them via the methodology, of course we will get their feedback and we will verify the information, including the algorithms themselves. And I have a question as well about the UK. For some reason it was called the register of individuals that can have control over some legal entities. It is not called the register of beneficial owners. And when you have a term like this, when you have a name like this of identification, what kind of force, what kind of power does it have? Is it like the proposition of the company that this company proposes, and they're not the owners, these are the entities, and what has changed, why it was called like this? Can you explain in more detail?